This is the sandwich cutter and sealer set, and it has quickly become one of our favorite little kitchen tools for the kids. It comes with 5 pieces, but we really only use 2 because we like to make them about the same size as the name brand sandwiches. But I love how easy it is to make those perfect crustless sandwiches, especially peanut butter and jelly. The cutters are sturdy, they press cleanly through the bread, and the sealer actually does a great job closing the edges so nothing leaks out. My kids think the fun shapes make lunch so much more exciting, and honestly, it saves me a ton of time at lunch. It also works great for more than just sandwiches. We've used it for pancakes, cookies, and even little snack ideas, and everything turns out so cute. Cleanup is fast too, a quick rinse, and they're good to go. If you have little ones that love crustless sandwiches, or you just want to make lunchtime a little easier and more fun, this sandwich cutter and sealer set is definitely worth it. It's simple, mess-free, and the kids absolutely love it.